Good afternoon. Today I was checking about the different sort of planets in whole universe, and I saw interestingly some of the planets in the universe are tidally locked planets, which means that the one half of the those planets is always face to their suns or stars, and the other half is always against the star, which means that half of the planet always it's being heated by the sun or their star, whatever the name is, and the other half of the planet never see any heat or light or anything. And always this is as you can see in these pictures, always half of the planet is face to the star. So as we can guess, half of the planet it's like a hell. It's really hot with lots of strange things, and the other half of the planet it's always cold. And at least thanks to Universe Sandbox, we can experience this simulation. Okay, let's go to our simulator. I'm slowing down the simulation. This is the Earth, which is normally, as you can see, it's going around the sun, and we have days and nights, which shows that Earth is going around itself each 24 hours. As we can see in the simulation, the rotational period is something like 1 day or 24 hours, something like that, which means half of the sun, half of the planet, half of the Earth is in days face to the sun, and the other half would be face to the sun in another another 12 hours. You can see the Earth is rotating around itself, and all parts of the Earth would be finally face to the sun, and all the parts of the Earth would be night in all during the days and nights. So let's cut um, there is an option in here. Actually, I found it in this Universe Sandbox. It says that we can tidally lock the planet. So if I just push the button here, and any part of the planet Earth which is now face to the sun would be stuck in that situation, and any part of the planet which is night right now would be stuck in the night situation. So let's do that and see the results. I just push the button, and this is the atmosphere which is going around the Earth. There are clouds, but the planet itself, Earth, is stuck in this situation. You can see let me just in visual part, you can unset the atmosphere or clouds, which helps you to see the Earth itself better. So as you can see, this part of the Earth is always toward the sun, and the other parts, which is Africa and Europe and most of the population of the world right now, this is by random, they are in night for always. And this is this part, which is the ocean, it's always face to the sun. And we can sit down on the planet in this software. From this point of view, you can see we have the sun, and from now on this is for always, because the Earth is not going to turn around itself anymore. And for sure we can see the results in a few hours or a few days maybe. Let's go on the surface. Oh, you can see, just check the above figure. The temperature is being fixed in this area of the Earth, which is always night. The temperature is going down, and in the two other parts the temperature is going up. So we have the wide variation of temperature on Earth now. The minimum amount of temperature in Earth right now it's minus 81, which is also still decreasing, and the highest temperature of the Earth is more than 50, which is still increasing. So the tolerance and the variation is wide. And also we can see from this data views, multiple data views, we can see the situation of the world. You can see the temperature is differentiated completely between the different points of the Earth. This part, which is Africa, Europe, and North America, South, and most of the population of the Earth are stuck in the night, so it's really cold right now. And gas pressure, the atmosphere is the same for now. The ocean's depths still the same, but I think this part would be increased. The ice thickness would be increased during the time. I've just slowed the simulation down, so we cannot see the effects so fast. Let's increase the simulation speed and see the film faster. Okay, I'm increasing up to here. As you can see, we have two separated parts on the Earth. The part which is in the middle of the map, you can see this is really cold. This is the temperature went down up to minus 117, and the part which is always face to the sun, it's the temperature is more than 200 centigrade right now. So this is the simulation of a tidally locked planets, which one part of the planet is always locked and faced into the star, and the other part is always against the star. So half of the planet see always the star, and it's always hot, as you can see in this map. And half of the planet would be always winter, would always see the ice, never see the lightness and the shining of the star. Let's increase the simulation again and see how much further it can go. So finally, this is, I think this is a stable situation. The minimum temperature of the Earth right now is minus 225, and the maximum temperature is 213. So this is the situation. Let's check the composition. In the composition, there is a part which lets us to check the life situation, the life likelihood. Oh, you can see this is normally by default around 92%, but right now with just this change, this is around 2% or 3%. So planet wouldn't be a proper place to live anymore, the Earth, and I think we have to find another place to live. For sure in other videos I'm going to simulate the situation of living in other planets, but for now the Earth is not a good place to live anymore, and all of them are just because of this button, which is the tidally lock. This is here in the second tab, motion, tidally lock. You can see, and you can set the Earth in a situation which doesn't let the Earth to go around itself, and we couldn't experience days and nights anymore. Each part of the planet which is day would be always in a day situation, and each part of the planet which is night would be stuck in the night. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please support me with like and subscribe. I have lots of ideas. I'm trying to make lots of similar videos for you. And also please share with me what do you have in your mind, what are your ideas regarding the solar system. We can do lots of strange and funny and dangerous things in this software, and always we can make a fresh and new solar system in here with just Control and R. Please write in comments what you want me to simulate for you, and we can make lots of interesting videos in future. Have a great night. Thank you. Bye.